Hello everyone, meet again with my channel Car, Interior and Exterior. In this video we will discuss about Car's 2023 Lincoln Corsair. With Lincoln expected to give the Corsair a redesign for 2024, we expect the 2023 model to arrive as a carryover model. The luxury SUV could arrive with some small changes to its design and infotainment system, but these are minor changes to keep the Corsair competitive before a redesigned model arrives shortly. The Lincoln Corsair launched in 2020 as a replacement for the MKC. Despite being an all-new replacement for the old MKC, the current Corsair still has a few exterior touches that resemble the discontinued SUV. At the front, the Corsair looks like a smaller Aviator with swept-back headlights, a rectangular grille, and a slim air intake. At the back, the Corsair doesn't look that different from the old MKC with thin taillights that are connected with a horizontal light bar, dual exhaust outlets, and a simple rear bumper. The 2023 Corsair could arrive with a slightly updated exterior design, but things will mostly remain the same as the current model on sale. The current Corsair features a familial interior design to other Lincolns on sale. The tiered dashboard has a line of vents that run nearly the full width of the dashboard. The majority of the SUV's controls are located on a floating section of the dashboard, being in an easy-to-reach location for the driver. Lincoln offers higher Corsair trim levels with gorgeous color schemes and with premium materials. The 2023 Corsair should have the same overall interior design as the current Corsair that's on sale. Lincoln offers the current Corsair with 3 different powertrains. A turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine is standard, being rated at 250 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. This is the only engine that comes with front-wheel drive as standard. A turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-cylinder engine is the next step up. It makes 295 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. This engine comes with all-wheel drive as standard. Both of the 4-cylinder engines come with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Corsair Grand Touring comes with a plug-in hybrid powertrain that consists of a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and 2 electric motors. Combined output is rated at 266 horsepower. The PHEV can travel up to 28 miles on electricity. We expect these powertrains to continue to be available for the 2023 model year. The 2023 Lincoln Corsair should arrive before the end of 2022. With the 2023 Corsair expected to arrive with minimal changes, pricing should remain close to the current SUV that's on sale. The current Corsair ranges from $37,565 to $52,790 with destination.